Ian, whether you like it or not, you're gonna have to do something about this soon.
What?
Been staring at the bar, man, for like 20 minutes. Do you know what you want?
Yes. Well, I know what I'm going to drink, but I don't know what I want.
Why would you order something you don't want?
I'm not ordering anything. I just know what I'm going to drink.
Man, I'm not trying to like play some semantic game with you.
I don't want you to. I'm just saying that I know what I'm going to drink.
Okay.
But it is not what I want.
And what would that be?
Do you ever get deja vus, Pete?
Bourbon it is.
Thanks, Pete. Pete locked the door.
It's kind of like on the corner, right, of like 34th, right?
35th Avenue and 30th Street. Yeah.
I think it's kind of like a hidden place because they're killing innocent people. And
Yeah.
I think deep down they have this belief that
What are you doing, maniac? You just hit that guy. You can't just be punching people. That's assault. All right? No, you know what? I've had enough of you. I should have kicked you out earlier. You were weird earlier, and this is the topper. I got a deja vu for you. See that door? You remember it?
But Pete,
Walk out it. Yes. Get your life together. Don't come back.